Welcome to Phone Transformer, your guide to mastering Call of Duty Mobile. Today, we're diving into how to turn on master volume in Call of Duty Mobile. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gaming tips and tricks. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the Call of Duty Mobile app. Ensure you're signed into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of the main screen and tap on the settings icon. It's the gear-shaped button waiting for your click. Step 3. Within the settings, cast your eyes to the left-hand column and locate the Audio and Graphics section. This is your destination for audio control. Select this option to move forward. Step 4. Now, within this section, you'll want to find and tap on the Audio tab to access the sound settings. Step 5. Here's where you'll notice the option to enable or disable the master volume. Look for the toggle that likely says disabled at the moment. Step 6. To activate the master volume, simply tap on the toggle. It should switch to an enabled state, signifying that the master volume is now on. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on the master volume in Call of Duty Mobile, ensuring your game sounds are loud and clear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.